22 संक्षिप्त अक्षर ACC ऑक्सिलरी कैडेट कॉर्प्स, AEC ऑटोमेटिक एनर्जी कमीशन, AIR ऑल इंडिया रेडियो, BEL भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड, BSE बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, सेंट्रल ब्यूरो ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन, सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, CCI क्रिकेट क्लब ऑफ इंडिया, CIL कोल इंडिया लिमिटेड, CMO चीफ मेडिकल ऑफिसर, DIG डेप्यूटी इंस्पेक्टर जनरल, DMK द्रविड़ मुनेत्र कड़गम, ECG इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम, E&OE errors and omission expected, FCI Food Corporation of India, HSD High Speed Diesel, IAF Indian Air Force, IIT Indian Institute of Technology, IST Indian Standard Time, LPG Liquefied Petroleum Gas, LIC Life Insurance Corporation, MBA Master of Business Administration, MVC Mahavir Chakra, NCC National Cadet Corps, NDA National Defense Academy, पृष्ठ 130, PIN Postal Index Number, PTI Press Trust of India, RAW Research and Analysis Wing, RAF Rapid Action Force, SLV Satellite Launch Vehicle, STC State Trading Corporation, UGC University Grants Commission, AICC All India Congress Committee, AVSM अति विशिष्ट सेवा मंडल, BARC बॉम्बे एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर, BSNL भारत संचार निगम लिमिटेड, BHEL भारत हेवी इलेक्ट्रिकल लिमिटेड, ESMA Essential Services Maintenance Act, FERA Foreign Exchange Regulation Act, FICCI Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industries, HUDCO Housing and Urban Development Corporation, IARI Indian Agricultural Research Institute, ACMR Indian Council of Medical Research, AGNOU Indira Gandhi National Open University, IPCL Indian Petrochemical Limited, ISRO Indian Space Research Organization, ITBF Indo-Tibetan Border Force, KVIC Khadi and Village Industries Commission, LTTE Liberation Tigers of Tamil Eelam, MISA Maintenance of Internal Security Act, NCERT National Council of Educational Research and Training, NHRC National Human Rights Commission, NOIDA New Okhla Industrial Development Authority, NLTA National Lawn Tennis Association, NSUI National Students Union of India, NTPC National Thermal Power Corporation, PVSM परम विशिष्ट सेवा मंडल, पृष्ठ 131, SEBI SEBI Securities and Exchange Board of India, TELCO TELCO Tata Electrical and Locomotive Company, TISCO TISCO Tata Iron and Steel Company, AAI Airport Authority of India, AASU All Assam Students Union, ABSU All Bodo Students Union, AGP Assam Gan Parishad, AIADMK All India Anna Dravid Munetra Kadgam, AICS All India Council of Sports, AICTE All India Council of Technical Education, AIDS, Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome, AIFACS, All India Fine Arts and Crafts Society, AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AILTA, All India Lawn Tennis Association, AIMO, All India Manufacturers Organization, AITUC, All India Trade Union Congress, AIWHA, All India Women Hockey Association, AMU, Aligarh Muslim University, APHLC, All Parties Hill Leaders Conference, ASC, Administrative Staff College of India, ASI, Archaeological Survey of India, BAI, Badminton Association of India, BCCI, Board of Control for Cricket in India, BDO, Block Development Officer, BHU, Banaras Hindu University, BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards, BITS, Birla Institute of Technology and Sciences, BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, BSF, Border Security Force, CABE, Central Advisory Board of Education, CBDT, Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBRI, Central Building Research Institute, CGHS, Central Government Health Scheme. पृष्ठ 132. CNG, Compressed Natural Gas, CST, Central Sales Tax, DAE, Department of Atomic Energy, DAVP, Directorate of Advertising and Visual Publicity, DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, DST, Department of Science and Technology, DTH, Direct to Home, DVC, Damodar Valley Corporation, ECA, Essential Commodity Act, EVM, Electronic Voting Machine, GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited, GAP, Ganga Action Plan, GIC, General Insurance Corporation, GSI, Geological Survey of India, HMT, Hindustan Machine Tools, HRD, Human Resource Development, IAS, Indian Administrative Services, IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India, IFFCO, IFCO, Indian Farmers Fertilizers Corporation, IFFI, IFFI, International Film Festival of India, IDPL, Indian Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited, INSA, Indian National Science Academy, INSET, INSAT, Indian National Satellite, JRY, Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, LASER, Light Amplification by Stimulated Emission of Radiation, LTC, Leave Travel Concession, MMTC, Mineral and Metal Trading Corporation, VAT, Value Added Tax, NABARD, NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. पृष्ठ 133.